Welcome to Trek the Valleys. Hello and welcome to Trek the Valleys on this miserable day. But we're not going to let that stop us. Today I'm going to be following the Cynon Trail towards Abercynon. Hopefully then I'll come up into the mountains and work my way back through Cumbach Forest. And we should see some interesting things on the way. Right, let's make a move. So I've started off at the bottom of Michael Sobel's Sports Centre, also known as the Ynys, and I'm making my way now down towards Cumbach through the canal path. We're just about to go a bit further and cross the railway track, and then we'll go past then the Aberdare Wetlands, which is quite interesting. Okay. This path goes through someone's land, so I'm going to go back on myself, come down the road a bit and then cross the line. It looks like you're allowed to go through it, but yeah, I'm not in a rush to go anywhere, so I'll go round, not an issue. Right, this is the way we would have come if we had gone through the property. But it was only a short time to come round. So we're going to head over the railway track now and go through the Aberdare Wetlands. I can hear the geese already. This is the Aberdare Wetlands. It's just the other side of Asda's. What an amazing place. It's home to ducks, geese and swans. A lot of people come down here to feed the birds. It's absolutely stunning. Right, let's make a move. Got you. Oh, it's all blocked. Looks like I'm gonna have to go back. Yeah, it's all blocked here. I'm gonna have to go round. There's a shame. But if I hadn't come down yet, I wouldn't have seen that crane, which was cool. Right, we'll have to go back. Go back up on the road. Right, a lot of this path now goes on to the main road, so I'm going to be not recording during this period, so I'll see you in a bit. Right, I've managed to spot now a path adjacent to the road, so this is going to be a lot more interesting than walking down the road with all that traffic going past. So let's see where this takes us. There's actual faces built into the wall. Large ones there, and a couple of small faces there. Very unusual. Right, I did have plans to go up the mountain and then back down through the Cumber Forest, but I'm going to continue on the Cynon Trail and see where that goes, and then maybe then come back up through the mountain then in a different place. So let's get on with it. In my workplace, we're doing a walking challenge this month where everyone is trying to get 100k. It's quite competitive, but for me. It's just what I do anyway. So I don't want to let the side down. That's why I've picked this route, which is relatively flat and I can cover quite a bit of distance. So let's see how it goes. You know me, I never stick to the route anyway, so I'll probably end up on top of the mountain, but we'll see. Right, let's continue down this Cynon Trail. I've just kept on going on this trail, so let's see where it comes out by. I haven't really looked at my map, but yeah, hopefully it'll come out where I want it to come out, but we'll have to wait and see. Right, let's have a look. Right, I'm going to head up back towards the road now, and then hopefully then make my way back. Right, I've followed the Cynon Trail all the way down to the end of Penrhycaiba. Now I'm making my way back up to the main road, and then I'm going to start my descent up towards the mountain, coming back then towards the Cwmbach forest and then back home. So yeah, I've decided to go up the mountain now, so let's go. Right, I've crossed the road now and I'm going to head up towards the forestry. Okay. I was planning to have a nice flat route today, but no, it's boring. I want to mix it up, so hopefully this will make it interesting. Right, I found an interesting path up instead of just a forestry one, so we're going to give this one a go. This is definitely a bike trail, so if you're coming up this route, keep a ear out for motorbikes and mountain bikes as well. Seems like a really good route for a bike, definitely, but yeah, be careful. Once I get up to this main forestry road, this jumper's coming off. It's absolutely boiling. Oof, I'm drenched. Right. Not far now. Right, back up onto the forestry path now. Right, let's go. Looks like they're making bike trails. Definitely. The bike trail we came up will join this, and then I assume you continue up there. Somehow you'll get to the top, well, through the forestry roads, get dropped off, and then you come back down this trail then. Looks really cool. Very nice. Right, we're going to cut through the forest now. See if we can find a quicker path. Right, I'm heading back this way now, through the forestry, heading towards Cumbach, come down through Cumbach forestry and make my way home. Whew. Alongside that forestry there, and I'm making my way over to this side of the forestry. That took a while. God, that's a bit of a distance that is. Right, so we're just entering the forestry now. We'll take a right then and we'll make our way round to the Cumbach forestry. Right. Yeah, I've been up this way before. Went this way, followed that down to the Gillies waterfall, and also then there's some Bronze Age camps and things up here, but we're not aiming for them today. We've already been there, so today is just for distance and for fitness. And if we come across some interesting things on the way, that's great. But yeah, let's get on with it. Right, this is part of Bike Park Wales. We came this way before. We went down the Beast of Burden Trail, which it goes up this way, but we're going back down this way to head towards the Cumbach Forestry. The weather's held out, all the rain has stopped now, so hopefully that's it for the rest of the day, but you never know. Right. But yeah, it's relatively quite mild. Good incline coming up there. Definitely a good workout that was. But the trail I done on the maps, completely different this trail is. I've just got to where I wanted to go and just made it up then as I went along. So I'll put the final route up instead, because the original is blown out the water really. Right, okay. Just holding my phone, getting it charged, because these hiking hats just drain the battery. I'm definitely going to have to look for a watch or something, a good watch to do navigation on, because relying it on your phone to log your trail just drains the battery. It's a pain in the arse. So definitely going to look into getting a good hiking watch for navigation and to log where I'm going. Right. That's where the plaque is up there. So we've come all the way over the mountain and we've ended up here. That's where the plaque is. And then further down then, that's where the cairn. And then this one takes us then down to Kevin Penna. So we're going this way. We're going ahead down towards Cumbach and go through the forestry. Ah, right, okay. Let's go. Just behind that tree, that's where that cairn is. Right. We're heading this way. You can see this devastation from the valley. I was looking up the other day and wondering what the hell had gone on up here. as you can see, this is forestry. This is what happens. I suppose this forestry was never here to begin with, but to leave it in this state looks absolutely terrible. God, look at these views. Absolutely stunning. Quite mystical as well with this low cloud cover. Really interesting. Okay, so we've just come down here and now we're heading towards Cwmbach down the woodland path. Right. It's good when you plan a route, especially if you've got interesting things to see on the way. But it is really exciting when you just go off trail, just mix it up and, you know, just explore like I have today. There hasn't been much to see, but it's been exciting. I really enjoyed it. Right, we're following the path all the way down and then we're going to go through the Cwmbach village and then join the Cynon Trail then at the bottom of Cwmbach. Right, not long now, nearly there. Right, we're back on the Cynon Trail now, so not far now. It's been a hell of a walk, but definitely worth it. Don't know how many miles I've clocked up, I'll have to check that later. But yeah, good 5 or 6 hours I think I've been out, I don't know, I'll have to check. Time flies when you're having fun. Okay, so we're going up the Aberdare Canal now. Another crane. 2 in one day, that's cool. Someone's not happy. Right, I'm just coming to the end of the canal path and I'm headed through Aberdare. So I'm calling it a day. It's been a really good hike. Very interesting. Off the trail, which was great, down the Cynon Trail, up the mountain and back down through Conbar. Very nice. So if you enjoyed this hike, give me a thumbs up, and again, subscribe to Trek the Valleys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.